Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. So, today we're going to head over to KMR's headquarters and custom Decals YYC shop. We're going to, they're having a season opener from 12 to 6 today. So myself and John are heading over there. We're going to go check it out, say hi, just make an appearance from the brigade, and I'm gonna bring you guys along, so stick with me, keep watching, and let's go check out this grand opening slash car show slash whatever it turns out to be, but we'll go check it out. Well guys, we've made it to KMR slash custom Decals YYC grand opening, open house, car show. I'll show you guys some of the cars that are all here. It's a pretty massive turnout so far, and yeah, let's check it out.
Yo, what up guys?
This is Birdy. We came here before once already to his season opener, and I filmed it all in slow-mo. So here we are today, get to meet again to the open house.
Regular speed.
Regular speed.
Yeah, so we're here today on a nice Sunday evening. We're basically having a small get-together to show the locals where Custom Decals YYC is located, and they literally moved in here like 2 weeks ago, but it already feels like they've been here forever, man. So like every day there's always like new cars coming in and out, like all these tuned cars, so it's super cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right.
Enjoy, have some barbecue.
Thanks for having us.
Cool, man. Definitely.
Cool. Make sure you go check out his channel, his killer wide body, and also his the Beamer's changed quite a bit since I showed you guys last. He's got some pretty wicked wheels, cool cage on the front. Alright guys, we're here with Sean from Custom Decals YYC. What do you guys do?
We make stickers. Let's go. Let's go. Show you check the shop.
Alright, let's go check out the shop.
We got a Chinese sweatshop up there. 7 people grinding, making stickers. Everybody's making stickers. Ryan's on the table making stickers.
We got, how many guys does it take to make stickers?
Excuse me, there's a female.
7.
Here's my partner Ryan.
How's it going? How are you guys doing? Welcome to Custom Decals. Making tons of decals for everyone.
Yo, hey Jeff.
Clark.
Yo, how's it going?
You guys know Clark. You've seen him before in the vlog.
Feeling this one. This one is fun.
Okay.
Did you pull an Eva?
We're working for free!
Chinese sweatshop!
What's up?
Chinese sweatshop.
Yeah.
Launch it. Yo, let's go do a rap. Let's go. Go. Yeah! That was good. Yo, burn out.
Hold on. I gotta get used to this, okay? One sec.
I'm gonna project my voice here as loud as I can, so if you can't hear me, I'm sorry.
Johnny, are you listening?
You can give her the microphone.
No, I don't want to use it. I just want to thank everyone for coming to the Lust Royalty season opener and the soft opening for Custom Decals.
Hey!
Thank you guys.
And to celebrate, I bought a cake to congratulate them on their grand opening. And we love having them next door.
Soft opening.
Soft. And we love having them next door.
Yeah, big stickers on the
Big
spot.
stickers.
On the spot.
24-hour nights.
And happy belated birthday, Jeffy.
Happy birthday, Jeffy!
Well, guys, that was a super awesome time. Great turnout to that event. So friendly. It's nice to meet you, Sean and Ryan, finally from Custom Decals. Sick shop. Good guys. What did you guys think? Looks like they have quite a bit of fun. So pretty rad guys. Looks like a good atmosphere. And thanks for having us. So like that. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe.